Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Subaru Forester X, stock reference number 5552. This shape runs from the second month 2008 through to the second month 2011. It has a EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left power door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player,